Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm sharing what I eat in a day, and before we get to the food stuff I just want to say a few things. First and foremost, just because you eat like me doesn't mean you will get the same results as me. That sounds very egotistical, but let me explain, okay? Everyone's body is different, and I feel like on the internet people tend to see someone doing one thing and think that the same thing would work for them, and that is not true. We all have different bodies, we all have different needs, so just because something works for me doesn't mean it will work for you. So for this video is just to give you guys an overall idea of what I eat, because I'm trying to lose fat and gain more muscles. So the recipes I provide are high protein recipes, and they're quite healthy as well, and it's just more for inspiration instead of a guide to on how to eat, a guide on how to eat. So that's first. The second thing I want to talk about is the video quality is not my best. I feel like lately I've been trying different things, and some of them have been working and some of them have not been working. So please don't mind. I was using my phone to film this video, and I have a very small kitchen with pretty bad lighting, so don't mind that, and also the angle is a bit weird as well, but I am working on figuring out different ways to put out better quality contents. The fourth thing I want to say is that I don't usually count my calories. I don't count my calories at all. I exercise just for the fun of it and just for my health as well, so I don't really see the point of me counting my calories and macros, because I'm not training for any particular competition or anything really. It's just for fun. And for me, I feel like sometimes I get easily fixated on the wrong thing, so I only counted the macros for the purpose of this video, because a lot of people have been asking me about the macros from previous meal prep and food videos. So I just wanted to give you guys an overall idea of how much protein, how much carb is in each meal. But I don't usually do this on a regular basis. It is time consuming, and for me I just don't find I don't see the point of counting calories and macros. I just want to eat. I eat healthy. I try to eat healthy most of the time. I try to increase my protein intake because I want to gain more muscles. I try to lower my carb because, again, I want to gain muscles and not mass, general mass. So yeah, so everyone is different, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I don't obsess over those things. The fourth thing is, what is the fourth thing? Oh, yes. So the fourth thing I want to say is that I did not have a calorie counting app, so I had to do everything manually, and my calculation might be slightly off. However, it's just again, it's to give you an overall idea of how much the protein and how much macros the meal has. So it's not super accurate. So if you are making this yourself, I would recommend using and if you're counting your calories as well, I would recommend you using a food tracking app, or something like MyFitnessPal or other apps there are out there. But for me, I don't have those things, so I had to use the internet and I had to use my scale. You will see me measuring pretty much everything, and then I just calculated it afterwards, so there might be some errors. And yeah, that's it. I will include everything in the description below, more the ingredients as well as the macros, just a breakdown of each ingredients with the macros. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please like, comment, subscribe. I really appreciate it, and I really want to reach 3,000 subscribers by summer, so help your girl out. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Giddy bouncing, yeah. Look at her style from the street. Look at her style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh no. Look at me style from the street. Look at me style from the ghetto. This I will never make it big. Me, I tell them say, oh. Me go on my knees to the Calvary tree, me I pray. Me telling God everything me I need. Me I tell the God make they bless me still, yeah, yeah, yeah. Cause if I no get all these people go laugh at me. All these people go use me play. Make God they bless me and my family, yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, 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 nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on a low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, get the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah, 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 yeah. Damn, wish my eyes don't see. Me I no feet talk on. Me I no feet and I'm yeah, 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 yeah. They say money never vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah, yeah, yeah. They say money never vanity upon vanity. If you know to get in a calamity, brother, this life in a spirituality, yeah, yeah, yeah. Aye, aye, nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Aye, 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 nobody fi be somebody. Somebody fi be nobody. Never look down or no. Me I make cash on a low, on a low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on a low. Me I wanna get to the door, me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low. Me I wanna shine on the low, on the low. Me I wanna get to the door, get the door. Me I wanna turn up on the low, on the low.
Pristine sound.
Get it dancing. Giddy bouncing. Oh, love.
Why you up, boy?
Show them if you buy you cushion, me if you buy you brother, me if you buy you all designer. Baby, it's for you. Girl, you my champion lover. Hopefully, God, yeah. Baby, my father, yeah. Baby, it's for you. Oh, me, I do no ma. Oh, yeah, do proper. Oh, yeah, stand proper. Number one lover. Nobody better. Nobody cleaner. Nobody other. It's for you, yeah. Man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make I spend all that. Baby, so you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make I spend all that. Baby, so you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make I spend all that. Baby, so you, man, I have my own show, man. Oh, yeah, do no ma. Make I spend all that. Baby, so you, love. I think I feel like I say me, I'm gone.